Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, the weather was certainly moody today. Of course, this morning, many of us awoke to foggy conditions. Yes, it was damp as showers were moving through. Donna Sherwood captured this nice shot from Massanutten this morning. And then by this afternoon, we saw more breaks in the cloud cover. Look at this gorgeous shot from Robin Felder, that taken from Monte Piccolo Farm and Distillery in Albemarle County. Those are crepuscular rays or sunbeams that are breaking through the clouds, and it is certainly gorgeous. Sun on its way down, currently at the airport 65, made it up to 69 this afternoon. Still waiting on the front to come through, and in terms of rainfall at the airport, only 3/100ths of an inch, well under 1/10 of an inch of rain. 63 with some broken cloud cover in the Shenandoah Valley. Winds have turned westerly now, and that front will continue to slide eastbound here. We've got 62 in Madison, 63 in Palmyra, 64 in Waynesboro, and 64 currently in Culpeper. There's a look at a review over the last several hours. Satellite and radar combination. We had those showers this morning, and then we lingered a lot of cloudiness behind it, and then clouds started to break up a little bit. The actual front now is beginning to push east of the Blue Ridge, and that'll continue here. Temperatures tonight will chill back down into the mid and low 40s. That's a pretty seasonable overnight, but with the damp ground, that will promote some areas of fog to develop, and skies will at least turn partially clear for the overnight period. We've got a cooler day here for Thursday, but again, for late October, this is what you'd expect, mid to low 60s across the region with bright skies. Friday will be even a cooler day, upper 50s to around 60, and we've got a cool stretch that will take us into the weekend. Saturday looks good, sunshine, but more clouds gather here on Sunday, and we'll talk about how the latter half of the weekend and Halloween will play out in a moment. But currently we have a storm lifting up toward Lake Erie. The attending front is pushing eastbound here this evening. You can see a lot of the rain lifting up toward Canada now, but again, the front brought us a little bit of rain earlier in the day, and now the cool air is waiting in the wings, and that'll transport itself over the mountains here tonight. Look at the 24-hour temperature change, some 20+ degrees colder as you go from Columbus down toward Lexington, Kentucky. So we've got clearing skies, or at least partially clearing skies overnight. Chilly in the morning with some areas of fog, low and mid 40s to start the day. Abundant sunshine, temperatures in the low and mid 60s. Our winds could be breezy at times out of the northeast. High pressure will be building to our north. That'll set the stage for cooler conditions right through the weekend. Upper 30s, low 40s here on Friday with partly sunny skies. High temperatures in the mid 50s to around 60, and still breezy at times. Now looking ahead to Sunday, clouds in place. High pressure to the north funneling in the cooler air, and then here comes the rain. That takes us into Monday, last day of the month, and of course Halloween. So yeah, it's still looking wet as we move through that time period. Temperatures tonight, low and mid 40s. Some areas of fog with partially clearing skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures cooler through the weekend, and our best chance of rain late Sunday night into the day on Monday. We'll see if the timing speeds up so that the rain may taper off in time for trick-or-treaters, but several days away, and we'll continue to watch that over the next several weeks.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.